Thanks for your purchase. You just picked up one of our toughest trackers. The waterproof GPS tracker is built to handle harsh environments with a water and dust resistant case and a built-in backup battery. Whether you're protecting a motorcycle, boat, heavy equipment, or any other valuable asset, you're in good hands. Let's get you set up. Your account has already been created and your tracker is loaded in and ready to go. Check your email for your login credentials. Just use those to sign in and you'll see your device right there waiting for you. You will need to give it a name before it shows up on the map, so go ahead and do that first thing when you log in. There are 2 ways to wire the tracker, so pick whichever one fits your setup. The first is a simple 2-wire hookup. Red wire to 12-volt constant power, black wire to ground. Easy. With this setup, your device will use virtual ignition, which means instead of reading a physical ignition signal, it detects movement to know when your asset is in use. To get that programmed, just give us a call and we'll take care of it. The second option is a 3-wire hookup, which works great for trucks and equipment that have an ignition wire. Same deal, red to 12-volt constant, black to ground, but you'll also run the blue wire to the ignition sense. This wire will receive 12 volts when the ignition is on and 0 volts when the ignition is off. This lets the tracker know exactly when the vehicle is in use. With either installation, you can live ping the device whenever you want to see exactly where it is. Just click Locate Now and it'll refresh its location in a matter of seconds. Quick heads up on placement, do not mount the tracker inside anything metal. Metal will block the GPS signal entirely. Plastic and other light materials are totally fine. The signal passes right through, but avoid boxing it into any metal enclosures. Out of the box, your device is on our standard tracking plan, which logs start and stop events automatically. That covers you completely for theft and recovery. But if you want more detail, like minute-by-minute updates while the device is moving and full route history, you can upgrade to our real-time tracking plan for $99. It's a great add-on if you're logging mileage or need to see everywhere a vehicle has been, but it's not required for most customers. Any questions at all, we're here to help. Call 800-578-1809, option 2, or email support@gpsandtrack.com.